Clank? Clank? A Wombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming?
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Is that a dragon that just flew by? Maybe it is time I laid off the hard oil.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Hey, Linebax!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in.
Yeah.
Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Oh, the Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, this is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Whoop.
Loudspeaker? Hello, Nefarious City! I just wanted to let you all know that your Emperor has returned. And it is me, the Emperor.
That sounds like a club, all right. Dr. Nefarious? So what happened to the real Emperor?
Now that I'm back, I'm starting Operation Job. What does that mean? We all get to role play as if I just became Emperor for the...
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Reprogramming.
Parties every day. And everyone to buy my upcoming memoir. Isn't this fun? Oh, if anyone is concerned about that enormous explosion earlier. Oh, if anyone is concerned about that enormous explosion earlier. It was just me launching some fireworks to celebrate me. So, you're welcome. Also, please ignore the purple ribs floating in the sky. They're boring and not worth your time.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be, Fluffy.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Nope. Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
You wouldn't be the Phantom by any chance, would ya?
I'm afraid.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance.
We will be such...
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Resistance! We belong! Firing shots!
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait!
There he is! The fuzzball from
Hey,
the lawn!
wait! Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance member! Your resistance ends here!
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks.
Now, where'd you go?
What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Ha! Don't be scared. Use the come on. The wall's not gonna bite. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
Yeah. I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? Yeah, I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on. Ha! Yeah.
Your hostility.
Squishies are not permitted pistols.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the roof? You should use that rare titanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first. You are getting it! Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the raritanium. See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Happy to help.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
Man, oh man! Those jets really got into the nexus of my sister board.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give the city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the Resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The Resistance is a growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
The resistance is here. First they come for our local music scene. Now our squad!
I do not require additional
Physical violence is against spa rules.
unless we're doing it to you.
speak louder than words.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to... Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Hey, Sugar! I forgot to mention earlier. I hid a spy bot in the factory for our resistance friends. Maybe you could pick it up.
Resistance spy bot? Sounds useful.
Shoplifting is not permitted. Perpetrators will be sent to store-due prison for immediate rehabilitation.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
Missile systems engaged. Good luck. Give up.
What the yikes? Yikes! Yikes! Oh, wow. Oh, no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die. I do not appreciate resistance.
Not again! At least it was a round trip. Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console. Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh. Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set. The computer is back online.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, Your Most Majestic Majesty.
Here we go.
Death traps. Warbots. 5 planet-destroying cannons. And a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. No, 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 no!
Welcome, O Master of us all. Password, please.
Huh? Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me